Hey guys, welcome back to Sanvi's World. Because Father's Day is just around the corner, today we are going to be making a lovely Father's Day card to wish our fathers. So first take a rectangular piece of paper and fold it in half. Make sure that you make a nice crease. Now take a small piece of white paper and fold it in half like this. Now take a pencil and draw half a heart along the crease like this. Now cut out this half heart. This is how it should look when it's done. Now color this heart with your blue crayon. Now make 4 of these like this. Fold all 4 of these hearts into the middle like this. Now place your hearts in this manner like this. Now take your glue stick and glue them. Remember to glue only one side of the hearts. Alright, now make 5 more of these hearts and fold them in half the same way. Now place them right under your cloud that you made so they look like raindrops or showers of love. Now glue them. So when you're done, you would find out that you could open these hearts. This is how it should look. Now take a black marker and write some qualities about your father inside of these hearts or any tiny message which you want to tell him. Now write Happy Father's Day on the side. The bottom write thank you for showering me with love all these years. And then open it and draw hearts in the inside. Now on one side of the card write a message which you want your father to know or anything you feel about him. Feel free to add all the decorations you want. Now take 3 hearts and paste them like this. And then take your red pen and write I on one heart, love on one heart, and you on one heart. So it makes a sentence, I love you, with some red borders. This is how the finished version of your Father's Day card would look. It has all your messages inside the cloud and raindrops, as well as a thank you note at the bottom, and what you want to say to him, along with a little decoration on the side. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!